all are knows, I think, the 12 communities are the Halam community. I also belong from Halam community. The maximum people are knows, I think, in my village also, not so far from here. And few miles in my village actually Koloi Darkai, not so far. So since Haimano, chini younger generation, youth, more of chini future phonok nai. Sing future ro jadi kaham ke tongan ingkang kai. Chini near future ro sing develop kai tongan ingkang kai. Chini you dono sing bus tano matlang. Because youth is the backbone of the nation. Youth chini backbone chini nation. Jedo phawo youth rock, sikla rock, bus kang agoi phayo, je dofani je sikla rock, bus kango agona ni thani belai musung jago, a dofa sing sasa, a dofa belai kusuo kanai. Karon tami bagi himale chini forefathers rock. Chini one sokma, chini khaima joto limited. But chini youth, bini one sokma, bini nasikma, mo belai kotor. Chini siklaro, ni one sokma ni tabu, not only Sarum, not only Tripura, the beyond the world. Semua tabu nai tong mano. Semua no yagatui tong tabu. That means it is siklaroni nasik mong vision, ambition, balai kotor. The siklarok ni je one sokman ino kubui katha kaise matlang. Amne bagino ang tinoro faino phaje. Chini kaipeng youth ba youth kaipeng no nogui chini siklarong nogui ang khup khasrangja. Because once ago, Halam community Rokungha, they are staying in backward places. Ani parabo amtino, sengke kisa hala mura pahar rokong hamzabu. Because sengka hook kainedo, zoom cultivation depend kainedo. Seng program uno khaje before ono post harvesting. Sengke kole rokang ke obono seng mai ketal sau rokno ta. Mai rawui pedifil pai akui. Mai ketal sai phema rokno seng post harvesting ni program festival seng. Lekin every community ni no kaisa festival tu. Kole roni kan rok sema no lai balma panda. Kom hai every community ni no kaisa festival tu mo. Because we have to respect each other. Sentai khorosa sung respect ma khani. Te kaisa community no sung respect ma hamzak nai. Jefro chin thani hamzak ma phayo. We love each other. Afro no nini society go haino kaham wansok mong kaham nasik mong sung bus kango agama thangtani mo belai dorkar. Because sung sak na jodi kaham ke hamzagi manya hangkai sung boino bo hamzagi manya. Amni bagi first ni chini community ni bisingo no sung naithok kai kusu khai sung matlang nai. Ani nogo jodi kaham hangkai se sung baire ni boro bai kaham ke sung behave khai man. That means ang thanai makha mosi chini kaipeng youth society no ni kabang responsibilities tongo chini kaipeng do phano. I'm not saying about other communities. I'm saying only the Kaipeng communities. Chini Kaipeng community ti hai kama ni bagai. O sikla rongi bokhorogo kabang ma nasik mong matong nai. Sunno ka kaisa project soli tu. O project na success khanan thang tani sikla rongi wansuk mong sikla rongi khaitai kabang matong. Karon sini sikla rok sini thinang sini future. The youth is our future. Sikla rok kusuk kakai se aste sini society kusuk kakai. Amne bagi sini young Kaipeng association ani koimung obono sing thansa unity matonna. Kaipeng, Koloi, Deborma, Jomatia, Rangkhol, sing jotono alada community. But greater sense of we are one. Greater sense of sing jotono thansa sikya. O thansa no sing Kaipeng tongai, Koloi tongai, everything is okay. But sini all honey besar indigenous people, all honey nokpang, all honey malik awak kita sing bako kerak kesin mana kita. Kaipeng it may be minority, but Halam is not minority. Could you guess my point actually? Koloi it may be minority, but Halam community is not minority. We have to think. Ambagichan unity. Thansa tongkangkai everything is possible. Unity tongkangkai jeng jotan possible nai. Here jeng chini bismu jodi alkalgang hangkai jeng possible na bo impossible ng thang. Ambagino kun tawana di jeng mo korka samani muito mangkang. Angkisa koinai tu panon kadi jeng ke belai kan bolong bising hamzabu. Belai pahar jeng ke hamzabu. Parang koinai jeng kisi sa bising mo tong yawe kisa come forward. Come forward. Jeng saka pasing yang forward of hangkai chini joto business, route, tan bagi belang sah, malah sini actually सबसे condition हमें के route condition. Sini transportation system belai hanya. Angoro before election, sini asal mai sini campaign pro phelai pro, ayang bangkor kasih tunggu, ayang sini himin mah pek. After all amafan kiri hai asal tu tunggu pro, jangan pro himin mah pek. Ke tahu tu pun sengkali payment ka. Or nukha bridge holi ni ang peking kok samani. Anga sa kayo abno seng 100% no manai kung tawa na di. Hoito ba next session ba next season abno no mani man. Karon tang nomor 2 kilometers kawo isa sen break up kapun seng khainai. Ga all lama condition dok bale kahamo na. Ga up to bridge holi jasi financial oro. Ga all je jaga bridge holi jaga jodi peace carpeting financing kai tai budin nami mano the tui condition hamyang nai gamai come forward sing kisa sakau phagang kai sini jo to subida facility rok sang nai man met dakti nai man kai ang koina mo sung no bono noro jeng nijino jeng implement makaina jeng nijino implement khaina ninga kai jeng nijibo Sina nangai knowledge banyak nangai education important mari nai chini se rokna sungte kaham siksa mari nai apa possible nai kaisa jati jeng implementation no jeng thami man karon sana thangai tini sudu kai pini ko gya sudu koloni ko gya tipra hawo kaisa policy solo policy ngai bukung ba rokna bahike backward khai toni manai অবনো পলিসি চলিব ও তিনি নিককিয়া ফ্রম দ্য বিগিনিং আং নিজেও এক সময় কেউ বড় আরে সিনিগাঙ্গা সাইমানা আং স্টুডেন্ট অর্গানাইজেশন প্রেসিডেন্ট জিএস রবুল অলওয়েজ উই আর ফাইটিং দ্য আউটসাইডার जों प्रटेक्ट दिन आउटसाइडर जों फाइट मा खै जों मेजरिटी तमानि तिनि माइनरिटी थांगा सिनि लैंड क्राइसिस थांगा आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस थांगा तामने बगे इलीगल फॉरेनर Borok China hawa phai jo to occupy kaya, market occupy kaya, business occupy kaya. They are occupying everything. Sing jodi borok kini occupy kaya nga sing tino jaga tongla kamu. Norok nuk na, Mizoram hai, Meghalaya hai, asak mura kusuo. Borok ni land kali tu kani bron land tongu. Ang Mia seksual orang nasro thagi bhumini kaisa masane barni kuno kure barni business kuno kure barni tam tong land tong mura tong land tong tam khai boro loan na ui nok tang kotor nok tang tam khai nok bar rent they are giving on the rent, they are collecting from rent money mane rent you take money collect khai Angnuka nok tangin brand collect khai no per head ni income 2 lakh 3 lakh punta nuka. Ke land tomo bagin man ble. Ke chin kisa omono saman karon khomono sung chini bo sung thik ma khai nai sung bo forward thangai chin mind bo chini nasik mongbo chin farsightness bo sung bele kuso matlam. Bo khano chikon khayawoi Bukan broad mana matlam ni sih. Borok si khayman ke sentang mana. If they can do, then why not us? Why not we? Sengketang mana ba? Semua mana? Amagi cini mind cini, amono sung strong mak khay nai, sung crack ma wangsok nai, semua khayman. Ambo Sikla Rock, ante bisikok saglak jani kaisa. I have another program also. So, ang mono sanay no, sing chini program chini Sakung Fai festival. Mo 15 times, ba 15 times kaijaka. Ang sanay norok jodi next time mo tini Jompujola ni Bishingo RD block ni Bishingo jodi next year o mapre 2 year ni pore khai nang khai nor advance kya sakang khai ang no help khai nei je ha jaga phonang tong jono saji kisa jeng je ha jaga phonang suni help khai mano and every constituency also just kisa inform khai di jeng no help khai nei tasinga kisa salai kya sen mane stage rock, pendel rock, some I talk and some kite nine or no knock down at it. So the no name Bascamo, any constituency but others constituency Kisar Sakam, inform Kadi, will make it everything. So take off Saglaka and Momono, Chini Sikla Rockno, Beleke didn't I talk okay, Masai Funuka, more modern scam tradition. We have to preserve actually our tradition, culture. Our very namus, we have to preserve because sini identity, sini tradition, sini culture, more versus sini. Come with sini culture, no sini pogyawi, sini tradition, no pogyawi because our tradition is very rich. Sini culture, no very rich. I'm not saying only Kaipeng. Our 19 tribes. Sini tribes ni joto Tiprasarok ni joto tribes of Sini very Sini culture tradition very rich. Sini Kalmong even this one also. Belen I talk ang lisan no kabo ekdom thik ang beko ozon no khas to rock ya ekdom thaske man ka kusin ka. I'm very proud to you. Then more Sini culture Sini tradition all Sini preserve khematon nai. Because so once again I would say that good night also. Okay, thank you for now no bela can hambai now the program up to tomorrow 9 I think the on cultural program of khana tong nai mo ka ham kai no pai thung sen god number sen prayer ma khai nai ishong sen prayer ma khai nai now the all program of ka ham kai no pai thung I got on ma ka shoro introduction bon awang pori nai nai the next time ro man khangke chungbo kaipeng poro kisa misa hambai khulumka chubai rona so that जों आं सानाय नेक्स्ट टाइम जुदि जरा मान खांके किसान बिसा सोंनि पानो जों सानान दरकार बिकज नर कब्रक मानो थे जों बो सोंनानै दरकार ओके आई फील इन माइसेल्फ सो थैंक यू वन्स अगेन हामबाय जतनो खुलुम